So in this video, I want to discuss a concept related to forensics. Okay, so basically the concept states that leading questions are only allowed during cross-examination. Okay, so first of all, we have three types of examination: examination in chief, cross-examination, and re-examination. Okay, so basically what happens is that if it is suspected that I have committed a crime, then I'll be presented to a court of law, and then my lawyer will ask me questions. He'll ask me to introduce myself, and he'll ask me to tell about the crime scene and everything that happened. Okay, and then the lawyer who's against me, he'll be asking me questions. So this is called cross examination. The word cross is used for fighting. Okay, like cross. Okay, crossed, fighting. So when two people are fighting, so the lawyer who's fighting with me, in a sense, who's fighting against me, he gets to ask questions. It is called cross examination. Okay, and then we have re-examination. So the prefix re is used for again, for example, revisit, recapitulate. Okay, so in re-examination, my lawyer gets to ask questions once again. Okay, now the thing is that it may seem unfair that my lawyer, is the showstopper, and he also gets two opportunities to examine me, but the lawyer who's against me only gets one opportunity to examine me. Now, this may seem unfair, but the philosophy behind this is that if I have committed a crime, it is still somewhat okay if I be freed. But it is a big, big problem if I, as an innocent person, is punished. Okay, so that is why. So you can also remember that the first examination where I have to introduce myself will be done by my lawyer. Okay, because he's friendly to me, so he can ask me to introduce myself. Okay. So my lawyer will present my case. He will introduce me. Okay. So that is why the first phase of examination is being done by my lawyer. My lawyer gets two opportunities to do examination, but the lawyer who's against me only gets one opportunity, which is cross examination. Okay. So why is it that leading questions are only allowed during cross examination? Okay. So the cross examination is being done by the lawyer who is against me. Okay. But if the lawyer who's fighting for me, if he asks me leading question, my lawyer, he can give me hints as to what I should say or should not say. Okay, so this is like coaching me in front of the judge. Okay, so this is contempt of court. This is not good. Ideally, what should happen is that my lawyer should ask me open ended questions where I will tell the whole story as to what happened, and then the judge can make decisions according to his wisdom. Okay, so this is what should ideally happen. I should narrate the whole thing instead of telling yes or no when my lawyer asks me questions. Okay, but the lawyer who's against me, he'll not be wanting to coach me, he'll not be wanting to give me hints, so he can ask leading questions from me. Okay, so this is the concept. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.